What's up, everybody? My name is Darren Wong, and I represent the Kinjas. And welcome to my beginner breaking class, where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. All right, so today's video, we're going to focus on a footwork move called the kickback. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you'd like to take your dance skills to the next level and get personal training from myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now and apply today. Hopefully, we'll be able to work together. Alright, so the first time I actually saw this movement was actually in a footwork fundamental video by B-Boy Storm, so be sure to check out his video. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Alright, so this is just how I break down the kickback for my students. I'm going to start with one leg straight, okay? So I'm going to break this down into 3 movements, and then we're going to pause on the 4th one just to kind of reset our body, okay? So this will take a little bit of arm strength just for a split second, so we really want to make sure that our arm and our shoulder and our wrists are very in line, okay? So you don't want to be back here where your wrist and your shoulder are in line, so just make sure we create this perfect line each time that we're doing this movement. All right, so I'm gonna start on my left just because I'm left-handed and that's my stronger side, but if you're right-handed, by all means, start on your right. So, basics of this move, we'll start with our left foot out, okay? So, same leg, same arm. So, I'm gonna start with my left arm, and again, keeping that straight line. From here, first move, all I'm gonna do is kick my right leg this way. Similar to like when we did the figure 4, so if you haven't seen my figure 4 footwork video, be sure to check that one out. But I'm just gonna kick out to my left over here, and I'm thinking about kicking 45, and that is just my prep, okay? So at the same time, I'm rolling on the side of my foot just so I get to my toe, so I'm a little bit more balanced, okay? So as I kick out here, I'm rolling to my toe, and then from here, what's gonna happen in midair, I'm gonna swing this right leg back, almost like I'm kicking my butt, hence the kick back, and I'm gonna swing my left leg to split, and then I'm gonna tuck this left leg down, and then I'm gonna sit on it on my toe, okay? So what's happening again is I'm kicking my right leg over here, my right leg is gonna kick my butt, my left leg is gonna split in the air, and then my left is gonna come back and tuck under, and again, I will come back to my neutral position, okay? So always coming back to sitting on our heels and not flat-footed, okay? So from here, this is step 1. So 1, I'm gonna kick my butt, and then come back out. So again, here, this is 1, this will be 2, and then come back out. So let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, and then from here, my number 3 will just be switch my hands, 3, and we'll rest 4. So let's try that one more time. So here we go. So left leg straight, left arm down, making sure we have a shoulder and wrist in line. Kick out 45 here, kick our butt, and then switch our foot. Then from here, switch my arm to the other side. All right, so let's try the same thing on the other side. So for this one, this will be my right leg straight. That means my right arm has to be down. So again, first move, my left leg is gonna kick 45 to my right. So I'm gonna go here. And again, I'm using my toe to balance on that side. So you're not just on the heel or on the side. I am using my toe to balance. From here, again, what's happening in midair? I'm kicking my butt with my left leg here, and then I'm gonna straighten this one out. At the same time, my right will tuck. Okay, so one more time. I'm here, I'm kicking my butt with my left, and then my left will go straight. So you want to think whatever leg you're kicking back, that's going to end up being your straight leg, okay? So that way you won't get confused. So from here, right leg out, right arm down, straight alignment, kicking out, kick my butt, and then come back down. So one more time. I'm here, go to the right, up, kick my butt, and then come back down, and then I'll go over to my left, okay? So let's try going side to side. So I'll start with my left. So this is going 1, 2, 3, rest 4, 1, 2, 3, rest 4. All right, so once you have that down, if you want to, you can speed it up. So the way I would use this in a speeded up version is I would use my and count. So my kick out would be on and I kick my butt, 1, and then I'd land over on my other arm on 2, and then start all over. So for example, this would be here, kick out is on and, so and 1 and 2, and then I switch over here, same thing, and 1 and 2. So basically I'm switching on the 2s, and I'm kicking out, my kickback is happening on the 1s. Let's try that with our left. 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. All right, so before we jump into the music, if you have not yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscription button, and also hitting the notification bell. That way you're always notified when I drop lessons just like this. All right, so key takeaways with this one. This one is a little bit of a tricky one, and you do have to use a little bit of strength. So my number 1 tip for sure is to make sure that your shoulder and your wrists are in line the whole time, whatever arm that you are on, okay? So make sure we're not bending out here and making this diagonal. We want to really have this in line. Second thing is, whatever leg is kicking back, that is going to be your reset leg and going straight, right? So if I kick my butt with my right, then my right leg is going to straighten out, and making sure that I'm always coming back to that sitting in my heel and not flat-footed. All right, so let me know down in the comments below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.